Hey everyone, welcome back to Ruhana Reviews. In today's video, I'm doing a deep dive into AdCreative.ai, one of the most talked about AI-powered ad creation tools in 2025. If you're looking for a way to generate high-converting ad creatives fast without hiring expensive designers, then keep watching because this tool might be exactly what you need. And if you decide to try AdCreative.ai, I've got a special discount link in the description below, so don't miss out. Alright, let's get started. For those who haven't heard of it, AdCreative.ai is an AI-driven platform that helps businesses and marketers generate ad creatives, banners, and social media posts in just a few clicks. The AI analyzes your brand, target audience, and ad goals to create data-backed visuals that are optimized for performance. It works with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, LinkedIn, and even TikTok, so no matter where you're advertising, this tool has you covered. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's take a look. One of the things I love about AdCreative.ai is how easy it is to use. Let me walk you through the process. Brand setup. First, you enter your brand details, logo, and color scheme, so all creatives match your brand identity. Campaign type. Next, choose the type of ads you want, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Google Display, or even a social media post. AI-powered ad generation. This is where the magic happens. The AI analyzes ad performance trends and generates multiple creative variations within seconds. Text and headline suggestions. Not sure what to write? The AI suggests high-converting ad copy based on your industry and past successful ads. Instant downloads and integrations. Once you're happy with the creatives, you can download them or push them directly to your ad platforms using integrations with Meta, Google, and other ad networks. Now, let's talk about what makes AdCreative.ai stand out. Saves time and money. No need to hire expensive designers or spend hours creating ads manually. The AI does it in seconds. Data-driven designs. The tool generates creatives based on performance insights, increasing the chances of higher conversion rates. Great for small businesses and agencies. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running an ad agency, AdCreative.ai helps scale your ad production efficiently. AI-powered copywriting. The built-in AI doesn't just create visuals, it also suggests high-performing ad copy and headlines to boost engagement. Supports multiple ad formats, from display ads to video thumbnails and social media posts. It covers all major platforms. AdCreative.ai offers several pricing plans, depending on how many ad creatives and AI-generated text you need each month. Starter plan. Good for small businesses running a few campaigns per month. Premium plans. Best for agencies and teams managing multiple clients. Enterprise plan. Custom pricing for large brands with high-volume ad creation needs. They also offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. And remember, if you decide to give it a shot, check the special discount link in the description for the best deal. So, is AdCreative.ai worth it in 2025? If you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or ad agency looking to automate ad creation and improve conversion rates, then yes, this tool is a huge time saver. If you want high-converting, data-backed creatives without needing design skills, it's definitely worth trying. But if you prefer full manual control over designs or only run ads occasionally, it might not be the best investment for you. Personally, I think it's one of the best AI-powered ad tools available today, and it keeps improving every year. That's it for my AdCreative.ai review 2025. I hope this video helped you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.